Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. One of the greatest things about roasted vegetables is the variety you can include in one pan. Popular choices include broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, zucchini, bell peppers, onions, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, sweet potatoes, mushrooms and green beans. Each vegetable has its own unique texture, flavor, and nutritional benefits. Broccoli is rich in vitamins C and K while also providing fiber that supports digestion. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A to support healthy vision and immune function. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that help protect your cells. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates, fiber, potassium, and vitamin A, making them both satisfying and nourishing. Mushrooms offer important minerals and antioxidants, while onions contain natural plant compounds that contribute to overall health. Combining different vegetables creates a colorful meal that delivers a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in every serving. Before roasting, it is important to prepare the vegetables properly. Start by washing all vegetables thoroughly under clean running water. Dry them while using a clean towel because excess moisture can prevent proper browning during roasting. Cut the vegetables into similar-sized pieces so they cook evenly. Hard vegetables such as carrots and sweet potatoes may need to be cut slightly smaller than softer vegetables like zucchini or mushrooms since they require a little more time to cook. Uniform pieces help everything finish cooking at about the same time, giving you perfectly roasted vegetables instead of some pieces being overcooked while others remain undercooked. Once the vegetables are prepared, place them into a large mixing bowl. Drizzle them with extra virgin olive oil, which helps them roast evenly while adding healthy fats and enhancing flavor. Olive oil is known for its heart-friendly monounsaturated fats and natural antioxidants. Use just enough oil to lightly coat the vegetables without making them greasy. Toss everything well until each piece is evenly coated. Proper coating allows the seasonings to stick while helping the vegetables develop beautiful golden edges as they roast. Seasoning roasted vegetables can be as simple or creative as you like. Salt and freshly ground black pepper provide a classic flavor that complements nearly every vegetable. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, Italian seasoning, thyme, rosemary, oregano, parsley, or dried basil all work wonderfully. Some people enjoy adding crushed garlic during the final minutes of roasting for extra aroma. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice after roasting brightens the flavors and adds a refreshing finish. Fresh herbs sprinkled on top before serving can also enhance both taste and appearance. The beauty of roasted vegetables is that you can customize the seasoning based on your personal preferences, while still allowing the vegetables' natural flavors to shine. Choosing the right baking sheet also makes a difference. Spread the vegetables into a single layer without overcrowding the pan. Giving each piece enough space allows hot air to circulate around the vegetables, encouraging caramelization instead of steaming. When vegetables are piled too closely together, they release moisture that prevents proper browning. If you are making a large batch, using 2 baking sheets instead of 1 often produces much better results. Turning the vegetables halfway through cooking also helps them brown evenly on all sides. Roasting temperatures generally range from 400 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 200 to 220 degrees Celsius. Most vegetables become tender and lightly browned after about 25 to 35 minutes, although cooking time may vary depending on the type and size of the vegetables. Sweet potatoes and carrots usually require a little longer than zucchini or asparagus. Watching for lightly browned edges and tender centers is the best way to know when they are ready. The pleasant aroma filling your kitchen is another sign that the vegetables are roasting beautifully. Now that you've discovered the basics of roasted mixed vegetables, it's time to explore preparation tips, seasoning ideas, and the best roasting techniques for delicious results. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.